Welcome. My name is Reaz, and this is my channel Echo Envision. If you're interested in, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the thumbs up button for support. Millionaire Mindset. The 5 habits of a successful investor. Ever wonder why some people seem to have a golden touch when it comes to investing? It's not luck, it's a mindset. In this video, we're diving into the habits that set successful investors apart from the rest. Explain the importance of cultivating the right habits. Whether you're new to investing or looking to sharpen your skills, these millionaire habits will transform the way you approach your financial journey. Disciplined successful investors don't chase trends or act impulsively. They have a plan and stick to it, even during market fluctuations. For example, Warren Buffett is known for his disciplined approach. He doesn't let hype or fear dictate his decisions. Create an investment strategy that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance, and review it periodically instead of reacting to short-term market changes. Continuous learning. Markets evolve, and so should you. Successful investors never stop learning about industries, trends, and new opportunities. Books like The Intelligent Investor or Rich Dad Poor Dad, podcasts, and financial news outlets are great ways to stay informed. Dedicate at least 30 minutes a day to learning. Read an article, listen to a podcast, or explore a new financial concept. Risk management. Investing isn't about avoiding risk, it's about understanding and managing it. Spread your investments across different asset classes, industries, and geographies to reduce risk. Think of your portfolio like a team. Having diverse players ensures you don't lose the game if one position underperforms. Assess your portfolio regularly and adjust it to maintain balance as your financial goals or market conditions change. Patience. Buffett says, "The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient." Patience allows you to benefit from the power of compounding, where your money grows exponentially over time. Market dips are normal. Don't let fear force you into bad decisions. Stay focused on your long-term goals. Investors who held onto their assets through the 2008 financial crisis saw remarkable recoveries and growth over the next decade. Emotional control. Greed during market highs and fear during market lows are two of the biggest enemies of investors. Set clear rules for buying and selling to avoid emotional decisions. For example, use stop-loss orders or predefined profit targets. Practice mindfulness or journaling to stay aware of your emotional state and make rational choices. Closing and call to action. Recap the key points. Discipline, continuous learning, risk management, patience, and emotional control. Master these, and you're on your way to the millionaire mindset. Engage your audience. Which of these habits do you want to work on first? Let me know in the comments below. Encourage further action. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with someone who's serious about investing, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on building wealth. Bonus tip or teaser for next video. Here's one extra tip. Always pay attention to your why. Knowing your financial purpose keeps you motivated even when the journey gets tough. Note: there are countless ways to make money, and success depends on your skills, interests, and available resources. Stay tuned for actionable insights and engaging content to help you on your financial journey. 1. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. 1. Share this with a friend who's starting their investment journey.